Today we're going to be installing door trim vinyl wrap. This wrap is made by Kenriko and sold on Amazon. You can find the link below in the description. This kit includes everything you need to cover up the glossy black plastic. A cleaner wipe, a plastic razor blade, and a plastic sword for tucking in the vinyl underneath the trim. First, we prep the surface with the cleaning wipe. After that, we wipe any remaining dust particles off with the enclosed microfiber cloth. We pick the correct piece from the instruction sheet and then peel it off from the actual vinyl page. Be careful not to stretch the vinyl because that'll affect how it looks in the final installation. When placing the sheet, carefully line it up with the very front part. There's a flat piece, and then also the buttonhole. Try to center that. If you get both of those, it should fit perfectly. Smooth out the vinyl with your finger. Now use the plastic razor blade to tuck the vinyl into the seam where the trim meets the plastic. Carefully use the little sword to tuck in the vinyl around the button. Hold it near the tip so it doesn't break. When installing the button piece, line up the clear rectangular window. Make sure all of the vinyl covers the button. For the vinyl that's going to be covering the manual pull release for the door, I used a slightly different method. Underneath where I'm putting it right now, I put a piece of black matte vinyl that kind of discourages the use of the manual release since it can cause some damage to the window frame. The last piece on this side is to install the door release button and surrounding trim. Here's a close-up view of the finished install. The front left door installs very similarly to the right. It's a little bit more difficult because of the extra buttons, so you just got to be careful in lining it up. Here's a close-up of the power door opening button. So now I am done with all 4 doors, and I'm ready for the last section. One extra piece that was included with this kit is a rear USB cover that protects the plastic in the rear area from getting scratched up from inserting USB plugs. This also ties in nicely to the center console area, which I also have in the brushed black metallic finish. Well, I'm now complete with the door trim kit and rear USB cover. This kit was made by Kenriko and is available on Amazon. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.